Firecrackers are fun for us but not for animals. Loud noises from fireworks frighten the animal and make them run away from their territory. So, stray animals lost their territory. If dog consume leftover from firecrackers, that causes gastroenteritis, that is vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. Increases sound level, causes restlessness, temporary or permanent hearing losses in animal, high blood pressure, sleeping disorders, and allergic bronchitis. Leftover from fireworks, which toxins affect birds and other wildlife. So, celebrate safe and happy Diwali with animals. I wish you a very happy Diwali to you and your family. Thank you for watching the video.